So every day, people all over the world search for remote jobs and they end up getting nothing. Now, after applying and applying and you don't get results, a lot of people begin to think, maybe it's because I'm from Africa. Maybe it's because I don't have experience. Maybe it's because I am new. Maybe it's because I am just entering the system. Maybe it's because my CV is not showing that I have 10 years of experience. Now, the truth is, everyone in the remote job area or everyone in the tech industry did not start by having a lot of experience. Now, a lot of them started with zero experience. When I mean zero experience, I mean zero experience. So I'll be sharing in this video with you how you can apply and start with zero experience. I'll be sharing a lot of things I have researched and I have expressed, and I'm trying to explain it to each and every one of you. With that being said, guys, let's head straight into the video. Welcome back to Self Hustle, guys, and this is Kemi of Self Hustle. If you're seeing this video for the very first time, please do what to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share. With that being said, guys, all we do here on this channel is to share personal experience. We share what we have researched, what we have seen about remote jobs, about financial hustle, about how to upskill your financial life, whether you're in Africa or in diaspora. The first step you need to understand is you need to understand that you have to stop applying everywhere. Anywhere you see remote job, you apply. Anything you see online, you apply. Now, remote work does not work like that. In fact, when people see that you have applied here, they reach here, they see your email, they reach here, they see your CV, they feel you are not qualified. So the first step you need to do, or you need to understand, is not to apply to everywhere. You need to understand that you should not apply to everywhere. Number two is to learn one valuable skill. You cannot apply for a customer care rep and still come back and apply for an engineer role or a website designer role. It doesn't work like that. You need to choose one skill. Choose one skill, learn the skill, focus on the skill, become a boss, become a professional in that niche. That is the step two you need to pick. Number three is to create a professional CV. A lot of you feel that the CV I create in my room is okay for me. It is not okay for you. There is a standard to everything. And you need to reach out to professionals who knows these things to create it for you. Number four is to build a portfolio. Some of you don't just have CV, but you don't have portfolio. Okay, so I think last year when we did the ALX course, we built portfolio there, and I was able to realize that portfolio is very important. In fact, we use almost all our assignments to build the portfolio. So you can offer your service for free for maybe 1 or 2 persons, and from the work you are doing for them, you will use those work as your portfolio samples. You understand? So number 5 is to apply consistency. Apply to your own niche, consistently to your niche. Now, when I mean consistently is when you decide to start application on a Monday morning by 8 a.m. Okay, I will apply from 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. Good, on Monday. On Tuesday, I will apply from 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. On Wednesday, I will apply from 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. again. It is not for you to apply on Monday and then apply on Friday again, and then leave it and maybe apply after a month. That is not consistent. Now, the 6th step is to prepare for interview. A lot of you bag good jobs. You bag good remote jobs, but you miss the interview. You don't prepare yourself for the interview. You don't research people. Okay, I have passed the first stage of the recruitment process for this particular company, but the next thing you should do is to prepare yourself for the interview after you pass the first phase. Most companies actually send you message ahead of time. Okay, we are going to be having your interview so date. But most of us fail to do our research about the company. We fail to do our research about even the role we are applying for. So in the long run, we lose the interview. The biggest mistake I see most people make is the fact that most people spend time applying but do not work on their skill. Now, you keep applying, forgetting that the moment you stop learning, the skill you have starts diminishing. Do you understand? Now, my advice will be for you to start today. Start today. Choose a skill. Start learning. Start improving yourself. Start applying. Put in the steps I have listed in this video, and you will begin to understand. You will begin to see results. If you apply every day from specific hours, every day, you will definitely see results by the end of 1 month. I can assure you that. In conclusion, getting your first remote job isn't it is not a miracle. If you have watched this video to this level and you have not subscribed, please do well to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share. So the last advice I'll be dropping here is to get a mentor. Most people who are battling successful remote jobs online have their own mentors. Get someone who has been there. Get someone who has seen the future, who have experienced it, to actually share their opinion with you. They should share with you so that you not make the same steps they took years to actually overcome. So with that being said, guys, I will see you guys in another video. Thank you.